Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2016 Mitsubishi Pajero, stock number 7315. It's ran from the night 2014 to the night 2016. It's a 4-ring 41, 3.2 litre, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a automatic transmission. This is a 4-ring 41, 3.2 litre, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The front headlight. Right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory naked tyre, right rear door 5 dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory naked tyre, right front headlight, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, insulin cluster.